person.
A clock.
A car.
Clocks.
Cut.
A chair.
A chair.
Chairs.
Chair.
A crayon.
A crayon.
Crayons.
Crayon.
A stapler.
A stapler.
Staplers.
Stapler.
A notebook.
A notebook.
Notebooks.
Notebook.
You can get